Alright, so I've been using this for about 6 months now. I'm pretty happy with the performance. It's not too loud. Power switch is right here. There's a dust port here. I wouldn't say it gets a lot of the dust there, but at least it has a dust port. And then this is the tracking knob. So if your sanding belt isn't in line, then you could use this knob to adjust it either left or right so that you get perfect alignment. After half a year of using this and heavy use, I actually need to change the belt on this. So I'll show you how that works on this. You pull on this lever. It's going to release the tension on the belt. Take an Allen key and loosen this bolt. And then rotate this up. Then you'll be able to slide the belt off. And then these are the new belts I got. They're 4x36. Alright, so I got a belt out, and if you notice on the inside it tells you the direction of the rotation. And if you notice on the sander, it gives you a direction of rotation here as well. So you just want to follow that. And then once you got that figured out, just slide the sanding belt back on. Alright, once you got it positioned, you can lower the sander down and then push this lever back in. And then tighten this. And that's all it takes. And then you just want to turn this back on and make sure the tracking's correct. Alright, that looks good.